look at the view. And here's our table. We have the pizza. Wala lang ng ulan, lumalabas na yung sunset with the fog. Today guys, we'll have our birthday dinner for Brandon. At doon tayo magdi-dinner sa Wendell's at the Perch sa Antipolo area. Maganda yung view. Pero ulan eh. I'm not sure kung anong magiging kakahinatnan nito. Pero we already have a reservation there. Let's see. Sunduin lang natin yung mga people. Let's go! And now we're here. Look at that. The foggy. Okay. Oh, para ka nasa Baguio or Tagaytay, diba? But it's just here in Antipolo. Look at the view. And here's the restaurant. Kung saan tayo magdi-dinner. Ayan. So, let's go inside. And here's our table.
Wait lang,
We have the pizza.
Hindiwa. Hindiwa.
We got the pizza. So this is how it looks like here. Of course, dito sa harap may mga nagpa-picture. Ano yan, wala lang ng ulan, lumalabas na yung sunset with the fog and all. But ganito siya kaganda here. Okay, so we're living. This is how it looks here. It looks like here. Medyo madilim na ang panahon. Busog na mga people. And of course, the view.
Bibili ng lote.